Get out of the way.
Wow. That looked easy.
What's that start?
Get your camera?
That's what it's made for.
Nice one.
Look how much water is outside. We're standing on a slab of ice. I mean, it goes all the way out there. This one is insane.
That's ice. That's ice. That's all ice. This is all ice.
It did grow pretty huge. Well, I'm sure it chucked something.
Maybe try to the left?
No, I think you're gonna ricochet all the crap underneath. You want to stick to the right side.
Okay.
Right, go. Go fast. Go, 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 go.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Beautiful.
Oh, thanks. That was fun. I can't believe there used to be water.
I would have never gone through there.
You want it?
Yeah.
Want to move your truck forward?
Go in right here. Alright. What do you want to do?
That's a good idea to bring a video camera. Let's try that next time. Dad, I could have brought the video camera.
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Nice.
You have a chance to be on 22 videos if I get on to win 10 grand.
That's all ice there still.
I know going up the rocks is all ice there. Putting sliding lockers on and everything. That's fun, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy I didn't do it.
That was 2 feet deep. It was fun. We did a monthly ride and took us through the street. Just we got over tires.
You know, you're definitely permitting the media here.
Aww. He made it.
Oh, it was 10 degrees last night. What do you think?
Can you imagine?
Walk in the park.
Imagine if you think it's just like 6 inches, all of a sudden the whole thing gets.
Like a walk in the park.
Yeah.
Feel it underneath the seat. Feel steering column.
Nice.
Is that what you drive that?
I guess you'll give in the steering wheel then, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
And you'll feel a hook. You'll feel like banging the front of the back. But if you feel right underneath, you've got to put it on the stick.
You don't have to worry about the back with the exhaust pipe breaking up.
I've watched people.
Wait, where's your exhaust?
Yeah. Back up. Cut your wheel hard to your side. Cut your wheel to the driver's side. Go up a little bit. Go. You need a locker. One. One is a little bit more to your left. Go, Blaine. Yo, get gas. That's parking for you.
Yo, Matt, let me get a picture.
He's sitting there, he's like, hurry up. How's the sun from that angle? Yeah. Who's next? Maybe that guy's
Show off. What?
Who's talking? You guys hot guys. I wonder if either of you got the nose up farther. Just get your lung.
Yeah.
My head, you saw my bumper was sitting on the ground.
Matt, if you want the camera, it's right here in my pocket.
What's that?
Camera's in here.
He's got lockers. Keep going. A little more. Keep going. Alright, stop. Go ahead, stop. You're there. Yeah, but I put the bumper on the ground.
Yeah.
Well, look where you
Yeah,
were.
we can show off.
They're in the easier area.
I took the same line as you. I just couldn't follow you up.
Yeah.
Good time.
Okay.
You want to come grab my camera for me?
Yes. Go. Oh yeah.
Get up, baby! That's how it does it.
It isn't. He's doing everything we're doing. It's pretty sad. We got
I know.
Reverse. His hitch is in the ground.
How's my bumper look?
Stuffed.
I think you can officially let off the brake. We're gonna have to jack your ass up to get it. Oh no.
Hey, I bet I could go higher.
I would try. I'm happy for you. I'm not dragging the freaking You'll be stuck there. We're gonna have to take the axles off and just use you as a toboggan.
Like I said, everybody, guys, I'm gonna be putting the pictures of this on the Paragon forum.
Right, cool. I'll post mine up too. I can't.
Need my camera? Good. Damn, I should have had someone videotaping me. Bastards. Oh, that was perfect.
You know what the sad part is?
He's
putting all of us to shame because
I know.
he's driving a stock S10 for this shit.
I know. I can't believe that shit. On shitty tires.
And with the ice and the snow, he's got decent enough. I mean, it's not great, but. Yep, there you go. Straighten out.
Straighten out.
And William's got a pretty good spot. He can't drive yet, so he just tells me to shut up. Alright, what you gotta do is gotta get some gas. Come on. Pop it up.
God damn, I'm really ashamed.
I know. Seriously.
Yeah, unlocked and loaded.
Bigger tires.
Imagine going up that, that'd be a nice thing to go up.
I love the hills up and down, that's great.
I'll upload the videos on YouTube.
My only problem is that we gotta get him up front. I wanna be in the videos.
Reggie Donna, just keep to the
You got the one stalker, I love it.
He makes it for everything.
And the one stock S10.
No one's gotten stuck to the point that we can't get towed out. That's the funny thing. Like if he's starting to get stuck, that means we're trying to get to something. But it's all the line issues. And, like if he had no idea what he was doing, he'd probably get stuck 24/7.
Are you friends with him?
I just met him today.
Oh.
He was talking to me on S10 forum and asked me if I want to go. He's like up to my area. Just straight.
Because he seems to be pretty good.
I don't know.
Is he new with this?
About him at first, but I don't know. He's getting us fucking big places I didn't think he needed.
Oh, my DB just sound like that. All squeaky, making noise every time he goes over anything.
Goddamn bushing.
Pushing it right out from under you. Yeah, the same problem I had. Got a foot. Hold on. You footed. Oh, you spit the tire out. Get it in there again.
Hey, Chris.
What?
Gotta hit it doing about 30.
Yeah. Get that wheel up.
And be ready to stand on the brakes. Yeah, man.
Pump it. Yeah.
Poor little XJ. It's left, but yeah.
Hey, somebody get their cheese.
What?
Yeah, this is gonna be.
You get off of there or no?
All right. I'll be right with you.
Yeah, I'll just have to take it home with me.
I'll pull up here.